Hello everybody. Now we are today give you a lecture of electric dipole moment. What is electric dipole moment? Now if we take two charges at a small distance small distance, this distance is 2a. That is P is electric dipole moment is equal to twice Q into twice A. Twice A means distance from A to B. Now we can write down 2QA. This is called electric dipole moment. Understand? Now, electric dipole moment in electric field. Electric dipole moment in electric field. There is this is electric field. Start from positive and towards negative. Now if we place a magnet, if I place a electric dipole moment in this position, this will be stationary. This minus Q plus Q. Minus plus attract, plus minus attract. This will be a line parallel to the electric field. Now if we slightly move, just like if we in the magnetic field, if we move slightly, this is the direction of electric field. Making angle with this is theta. Electric force F, both sides work to bring this in alignment, in parallel to the electric field. This F is equal to Q. Electric field is equal to QF. Electric field E is equal to force is equal to QE. Q is the charge, E is electric field, F is the force in Newton. Or we can write down electric field is equal to F upon charge. Both sides, the QE will work to bring in alignment. Understand? Now, torque. Torque, and the symbol is this. Is equal to either force into perpendicular distance. That is, this is the perpendicular distance. This is 90 degree, this force, and this is perpendicular distance. This perpendicular, the whole distance is 2a. In this side, based upon hypotenuse, perpendicular distance, this is the angle theta. QE force, both sides equal and opposite. Perpendicular distance, this is equal to 2a sin theta. Now torque is equal to either force into perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance is equal to 2a sin theta. That is equal to Q E 2a sin theta. Now torque is equal to 2qa E sin theta. That is equal to P E sin theta. This is the vector, this is vector, this vector. Now this is equal to P cross E. Means it is a cross product of two vector. Cross product of two vector. It may be pointed out when dipole is placed in a uniform electric field, it experiences only torque. Net force on dipole is 0. Net force on dipole is 0. Means if you put this one, now it will both sides equal opposite force work and bring in this condition, and then force becomes 0. Torque is a dipole becomes 0 when it aligns itself parallel to the electric field. It comes aligned in this condition to the electric field. Torque is maximum when theta is equal to 0. Theta is equal to 90 because sin 90 is equal to 1. Torque is equal to P E sin 90. Means this should be perpendicular like this. This is sin 90. Sin 90 is equal to 1. Hence PE. PE is the electric dipole. Electric dipole in a uniform electric field. Since this is a cross product, we can write down P cross E.